Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Today I'm making southern fried chicken wings and gravy. If you like chicken fried steak and gravy, and you like fried chicken, you're gonna love these. So let's get started. I have some all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl that I'm gonna very liberally season with black pepper and salt. Give that a good mix. And then toss in the wings and give them a good coating. Now remove the wings and drop them into a milk bath. I'm just using regular whole milk. You can use buttermilk if you like. Now take them out of the milk bath and place them back into the flour until they're thoroughly coated. Now repeat the same process with the rest of the wings. Into the flour, then into the milk, and then back into the flour. And when you're done coating all your wings, do not discard the milk or the flour. We're going to use it to make the gravy. And now shake off any excess flour, and then the wings go into 350-degree oil for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. For a full printable copy of this recipe and many more, visit the Wolf Pit blog. After 8 minutes, the wings are perfectly golden brown and cooked through. Now I'm going to remove them and drain them on a wire rack. You don't want to drain them on paper towels, otherwise you're going to have soggy wings. And then continue frying until all your wings are done. Now I'm going to ladle some of the oil that we fried the chicken with into a saucepan over medium heat, along with an equal amount of the seasoned flour that we breaded the chicken with. Now give it a good mix until all the flours combine with the oil and let it cook for a couple minutes to get the raw taste out of the flour. And now I'm going to add some of the same milk that we dipped the chicken in. Now give it a good mix and bring it up to a simmer. And continue whisking until it comes up to a simmer. And as soon as it comes up to a simmer, it should thicken right up. Look at how beautiful the gravy turned out. And you really shouldn't need any more seasoning since the flour was already seasoned, but go ahead and check it for salt and pepper to taste before serving. And there you have it. Extra crispy southern fried chicken wings and gravy. Definitely something not healthy enough to eat every day, but definitely something worth eating once in a while. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give these a try, and I'll see you soon.